Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Clout token using Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to purchase BNB on Binance, transfer it over to your Smart Chain wallet on your Trust Wallet, and then swapping it for the Clout token. And I'd just like to let you guys know as well, I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials coming out. So if you guys are interested in learning how to buy, how to sell, and more within the crypto space, I really recommend subscribing to this channel as I'll have lots of content coming out into the future. Anyhow, just stay tuned and I'll show you guys exactly how to buy the Clout token. First step that you guys want to do is you guys want to download Trust Wallet from the App Store. So just head over to the App Store and type in Trust Wallet. So I'm going to head over here, search, then just search for Trust Wallet. And it'll just be this first one right here, Trusts, and then the crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So you just want to download that first. Then obviously you want to make sure that you have Binance or Coinbase or an exchange of some sort. And then create accounts on Binance, which is pretty straightforward. Most of you guys probably already have that or an exchange that you guys at least have access to. So I'll just leave that as it is. So just make sure you guys download the Trust Wallet first. Once you guys do that, you can exit out of here and open up Trust Wallet. You'll then be greeted with this right here to create a new wallet. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on create a new wallet. And then it's going to let you know here that you have to back up your wallet now, and you will see 12 words that allows you to recover your wallet in the next step. So you just got to click on the bottom here that I understand that if I lose the recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. So it's very, very important that you guys do not lose these words or else you will lose access to your wallet. And I do not recommend taking a screenshot either. I recommend just writing it down on a piece of paper and putting it in a safe place. Anyhow, you just want to click on I understand for that and then continue. Then here is your 12 words that you cannot show anyone or anything like that. I'm obviously not going to use this account. That's why I'm okay showing it. But these are the words that you guys want to write down and keep in a safe place, or else you could lose all your cryptocurrencies that you have in your wallet. Very, very important. Anyhow, once you're done writing this stuff down, you can click on continue. And then you're going to have to put the words in here to verify the recovery phrase. So just make sure you guys go ahead and do that. And then once you guys put those words in and in the right order, you will see this message here that your wallet was successfully created. That's exactly what you want to see. So you just want to go ahead and click on OK here. And then what you guys want to do next is you want to transfer over BNB or Smart Chain here. So you're going to have to go to an exchange that you either can purchase BNB or Smart Chain, or you already have some in. So I'm just going to show you guys Binance, for example. So we're just going to exit out of here and head over to Binance Exchange. And what you guys want to do on here is you want to either purchase BNB or you could trade it from another crypto into it. So if you guys don't have anything in here yet, you guys first want to obviously create an account on Binance, but I'm going to assume you guys have already done that. So once you guys are done doing that, you just want to go to a deposit option here. So whether it's a bank transfer or a Visa or MasterCard, you can go ahead and click on that. Once you guys are in here, you guys can just go over to where it says buy. And you just want to switch this over to BNB. And then you just want to choose the amount from your native currency that you guys want to transfer into BNB. So let's just say if I wanted to do $500, I can type in $500, and then it will give me 0.73 BNB. Now, if you're okay with this, you can just click on continue at the bottom, and then it will go into your Binance wallet. Now, to withdraw your BNB, you just want to go over to the bottom right corner where it says wallets. Click on that. Then you just want to scroll down until you find BNB. Once you guys find BNB here, you just want to go ahead and click on it. Then you want to click on withdraw. What you guys want to do now is you guys want to exit out and back over to your Trust Wallet. Click on the Smart Chain. And then you want to click on receive, copy. And this was going to copy the address for the Trust Wallet. Now you're going to want to put the BNB into the Smart Chain because it's going to be a lot easier just to quickly transfer it into the coin that you guys are looking for. So yeah, just transfer the BNB over to the Smart Chain just like I did here. So you just want to back out of here, back over to Binance, and then you want to click on address and paste that address right here. Now I already have it in my whitelist, so I can just click on it, but you guys are just going to want to paste it up at the very top there. Now what you guys want to do is you guys want to click on network and just make sure it is on the BEP20 right here that mine is on. You just want to click on confirm for that, and then you want to click on the amount that you want to transfer. So if you want to transfer all of your BNB, just click on max, or you can click on the amount that you want to type in and just type in the amount that you want. Once you guys do that, you just want to click on withdraw at the bottom here. Once you guys click on withdraw, it should only take about a couple minutes to go over to your Trust Wallet. So we'll just give that a couple minutes, and then you just want to head back over to your Trust Wallet. And once you guys have your BNB in your Trust Wallet here, whether you bought it from Trust Wallet directly or you transferred it from another exchange like Binance, you just want to ensure that you have it in your Smart Chain wallet. And if you guys did put it in your BNB wallet by accident, or you just bought it on here, you will have to swap it over. And to do that, you just want to click on your BNB wallet and click on more. And then the option right here is to swap to Smart Chain. So just make sure that you have it in your Smart Chain, or else it will not show up in Pancakeswap. Anyhow, first thing here that we want to do is we want to add the token to Trust Wallet. And to do that, I'll have a link link in the description. It'll be the first link over to BSC Scan, where we're going to copy the contract address and paste it into Trust Wallet. And to do that, we're just going to go over to that link I have, and then you'll see the Clout token on BSC Scan. We're just going to scroll down and copy the contract address from here. Once that is done, we can go back over into Trust Wallet. And then we're going to go to the top right of the screen where you see the 2 lines and the 2 circles. And we're just going to click on that. And we're going to paste that address in the top search here. Once that is done, we can click on Enable and click on Done. Once you guys have added the token to the Trust Wallet, you just want to go down to Browser. And if you guys don't see your browser there, you will have to go to the next link I have in the description. It'll just be over to the website for Trust Wallet, and it's going to show you guys how to add the browser. And I'll show you guys really quickly what that looks like. So we're going to go down here, and this is what it looks like right here. You're just going to have to click on a couple things. Right here, you're just going to go step 1 and click on where it says Trust Browser Enable. It's then going to pop up a pop-up here asking you to open it up in Trust Wallet, and then it will add the browser to your Trust Wallet for you. So it's really, really easy to do. Only takes literally a minute. But once that is done, we can go back over to Trust Wallet, and we're going to go over to the browser and over to Pancakeswap. Now, if this is your first time using Pancakeswap, you will have to connect your Trust Wallet, and to do that, you just be on the top of the screen where I have that red circle. And you just want to click on Connect and then click on Trust Wallet. You will then see your wallet ID up there as well once that is done. But then after that, you want to make sure your balance is in here. And like I said before, if you guys have your BNB in your smart chain, you will see the balance there as long as your wallet's connected. So that once that is done there and you have your balance and you're all good there, all we have to do now is add the token. So we're going to click on where it says Select a Currency, and we're going to paste that same address that we got from BSC Scan in this section right here. We're then going to see the Clout token right there. So we're going to click on Add and then add the token. Once that is done, we're going to have to set the slippage tolerance as well. To change your slippage tolerance, you're going to want to go to where the 3 lines are right beside exchange. Click on that, and then we'll be able to change our slippage tolerance here. Now, I do recommend using 12% for this token. You guys can play around with the slippage tolerance if you want to use less, but just be aware that you will be charged fees every time you try to attempt the transaction. So I just find the risk versus rewards just worth putting in something that's going to go through the first time. But like I said, it's up to you guys what you guys want to do. It's your money. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know that. But once you guys have done that, you can go ahead and put the amount in for BNB that you want to transfer over into the Clout token. So you can just put in your amount here. I'm just going to use 0.2 for the example. That's going to show us what the amount of Clout we will get in exchange for the BNB. If you guys are happy with what you guys see there, you can just go ahead and click on where it says insufficient BNB balance. And once you guys do that, it'll bring you over to another screen where it's going to show you your withdrawal rate and fees and things like that. Once you guys are happy with what you see there, you can go ahead and click on confirm, and then it will process the transaction for you and your tokens will appear in your wallet. So I just exit out of here, and this is where your tokens will appear just in your wallet because we already added the Clout token to our Trust Wallet previously. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to purchase the Clout token using Pancakeswap. This video did help you out. Be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.